Hi guys, a very good evening, and today we are going to have a reading for the sign of Leo. Reading for the sign of Leo for the month of March 2021. Reading for the sign of Leo for the month of March 2021. Reading for the sign of Leo for the month of March 2021. So let's just start with the reading. Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. Alright. Queen of Cups. That's nice. And the Moon card. Alright guys, let's just jump into it. Alright, so you're working out a plan. You're working out something. I hope this is related to your company or your professional life a bit. So you're working out, you're actually working hard a lot. So that's a good sign. And since Queen of Cups is here, I guess people are pretty happy with you wherever you work. People are happy with you. Wherever you work, people are happy with you. That's a good thing. Now on the bottom, I have the Moon card. Now, I would like to get few more cards and then probably elaborate. But I find this entire thing in a very good mood sort of a thing. Let me pull out few more cards. Six of Wands. Five of Wands. Nine of Wands. And the Judgment. Okay. Now I think this is really talking about the current season. I see this person working hard and there's a little bit of drizzling or little rain happening. So I guess that really tells you about the season we are in. So maybe a few winter rainfalls and so on. So but you're working hard. I see that you've got a victory card. People are going to recognize you for your hard work. Your seniors seem to be supporting you and you are in their good books, definitely. There might be few areas of fighting here and there, but I wouldn't give too much weightage to that. So it's something you need not worry. So where you need to take a stand, please take a stand. And where you don't have to do anything, just let it go. You don't have to pick up every fight. Somebody doesn't feel very happy and feel trapped. I don't know whether it's you or somebody else near to you, but somebody does feel that way. And I see the Judgment card. So let me just know about this Nine of Wands. This Nine of Wands. Seven of Pentacles. The Devil. Four of Cups. Okay. So few of you might not actually like your immediate superior. I mean, that's what I'm picking up. I don't know how far this is true. You are the best judge. But I think few of you are not comfortable with your immediate boss or immediate management. They are, in your favor. They like you the way you do things. But some of them are type of people that are, showing that they like you, but they maybe in real life they don't really like you as much. But since you seem to be a popular person wherever you work, so nobody can openly challenge you, that sort of a thing. But yeah, your immediate boss might not be somebody who you can trust completely. So if you're working in an environment, so I'll just, where you need to have this show going on, I'll ask you to keep the show or keep the way you're working on. Don't let them know that that what their real intentions are. So keep doing that stuff. They can't really harm you, but they might try and irritate you at times. So you have to definitely control that. I don't know why some of you guys might have to control your eating and drinking. That's what I feel. Let me know something about the judgment. And before I said that, the card was out. So Ace of Wands is an excellent thing. Eight of Cups. Okay. And I have Knight of Pentacles. Okay. So guys, I really feel you're going to have a good period ahead. You will have a good period ahead. So more than good, I think you're going to have a very busy period ahead. So you guys will be pretty working very hard, and you're going to get good results of what you're putting in. Let me just tell you that. I've always felt in life, the moment you put in your hard work, your honest work, you get good returns. So it doesn't matter what sort of big job or a small job, whatever you are in, I think you're going to get this result. The Eight of Cups. This Eight of Cups card, is supposed to tell me that you guys are looking out for a job or something. I don't know. You don't seem to have any problem where you're working, but it looks like you might be looking for other options anyway. So I'll ask you to stick around. Stick around. You definitely have luck on your side, so be happy about it. So there's nothing to worry about, but I am sure that you guys are looking for something better. If you guys are, you're going to get message for that, and you'll be successful in changing your job, so don't worry about that part. For those of you who are in business, you're going to get good contracts in the coming months, and that might be correct, considering the recovery in the economy. So I guess that all those things will happen. So let me pull out two more cards for little deeper understanding. Here you are, the Strength card. Okay, and I see that Lion. Definitely you're happy where you are, but I feel like you guys want to be more happy. You guys are in a good place, but you want it to be better. It is something like that. So you're definitely not in a bad place, but you want it to be better. There's certain parts of this your current work which sort of gives you this feeling of getting bored, or the kind of work you're in, maybe the doing something new or being more innovative is very, very limited. So I think that is what is bothering you more than anything else. So you're gonna do it. You're here, you are in your own reading, and you're looking to the future. So I'll definitely say that you're heading for a good time, and whatever judgment people take on you, it will, in the end, it will work out in your favor. So it's all in all, it's a good reading. Only thing is, I really feel that you got to control your diet a bit. And people around you, all over you and your family, see you in a very good light. So there's nothing to worry about. It's a happy reading. Really happy reading. So I'm really happy for you guys, and don't worry too much on issues which really don't demand worrying. Generally you don't. I'm going to take this card since it's, how many times this card has come out here. Trust your inner knowledge and act upon it without delay. So I think you are already doing that. But this card seems to have come out so many times that I'll pull out another card for you. This may be an advice for you, but still I'm going to pull out another card for you because Leo generally are people who are confident in their own way. They don't take bullshit and they don't give bullshit. So that's really lovely about you guys. You guys know what you want, and that clarity really helps. I mean, even during bad times, Leo is the sign that holds on to its strength. I got few people who are Leo in my life, and deep down inside, they are a real inspiration for me because unlike me, these guys are actually strong, both mentally and physically. They are very strong people. They are emotional people, no doubt, but they are very strong people. So I really feel that for you guys. Courage. Be courageous and stand up for your beliefs. And I am sure you do that. Oh my God. So this lion is again here. There's the female. Here is a female. I think you guys, this is definitely a reading for a Leo who really wants to hear it. So, well, good for you guys. You're strong and mentally and physically strong people, and you just have to be emotionally more strong. And I don't find anything bad in this reading. It's all good. It's all cool. So you are looking for few innovative things, more entertaining things, more engaging things in your life, and I think you should continue to do that. Why not improve upon what we are doing? So continue to look for that, and you're in a comfortable place, and I think you're probably going to get into a even more comfortable place. Definitely good. So other signs might not like it, but the fact is you guys are happy people. All right, so have a blast and enjoy yourself. Thank you.